Hi everybody, this is Mr. RB here with a drawing project that's really going places. I'm going to show you how to draw some cars. Ready? You'll want something to draw with. I'm using a black crayon, and then later I think I might want to color things in, so I got out my markers. You could use markers or crayon, pencils, whatever works for you. You do need something to draw with, and that could really be just about anything from pencil, pen, marker, crayon to whatever you like and have around. First thing I'm going to do is make a nice big rectangle with 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Now that's a rectangle. I'm going to add on another rectangle with 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and connect them. 1, side 2, side 3, side, oh look, side 4 is already there. Wow, this one's looking kind of like a truck. That sounds like a fun idea. Yours could be a truck or a car or a bus. They're all good for getting places and moving things around. Hey, if we're going to move around, we're going to need some wheels, and I don't know, do you think the squares and rectangles will make good wheels out on the road? How about something round like a circle? I'm going to put one going right across the bottom of the rectangle. See how half my circle is above the rectangle and half my circle is below? I'm going to make 1, 2. And I'm going to hope that they kind of match. Now I'm going to make a really big polka dot inside each one for the tires. Really big polka dot inside each one for the tires. Nice. Well, I need a few more details. I think I'll add a window here so the driver can see out. There's the driver, a little polka dot and a line. And since this is a truck, I probably don't need windows over here, but maybe I want to add an antenna so the driver, maybe she or he wants to listen to the radio as they're driving. That could be nice. Well, I'm going to add a few decorations. I'm going to add a line coming down here. Draw, 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 stop. Skip, 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 skip. Draw, 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 stop. Skip, 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 skip. Draw, 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 stop. That looks nice. I like that. And then I'm going to think, what could be inside my truck? I have an idea. A triangle with a half of a circle on top and a half a circle on top and another half circle. I'm going to make 2 of those. You know what I'm thinking of? Maybe you guessed. I'm thinking that this is a truck full of ice cream waiting to be delivered. Yum! I'm going to make lines going across my ice cream. And I think I will add a tailpipe. And I could even add other details if I want to. You do not need to. But there's my truck. Rectangle, square, circle, triangle, and a half circle. Does your truck or car have to look just like mine? No. There's so many trucks and cars and buses in the world, and maybe you will design a brand new one that has never existed before. Well, have fun, color in if you like, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye, everybody.